Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am doing an acrylic pour. I've got my paints here set up and these are a mixture of Eraldo di Palo paints and Amsterdam paints. They're all mixed with Australian Floetrol. I'm going to be pouring them into these cups and then swishing them across the canvas and then tilting. My white here has some Amsterdam Titanium white and this one's got some Amsterdam Buff light, so they might help me create some cells. Now we're just going to get started. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make one cup up and then I'll make the other two up. What I think I will do is I want to separate my blues from my other colours, so I'll pour down the side. I think I'm going to dirty pour my white and my buff light, but I do want to separate them a bit, so let's put a little bit on the top. I might do a little bit of this one. I may need to make more of the buff light up. This one, I just wanted a little bit of something darker. So that's a burnt sienna mixed with a little bit of Dyke brown. Just adding the colours. Something like that. Let's have a look. Should we go a few more colours? And something like that. So I'll make the other two cups up. Okay, I hope I've got enough paint here, but we're going to have a go. And this one didn't quite get filled up. I started with the other colour on that one, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. Not sure how any of this is going to go, but we're going to just start pouring. I've gone off the edge there. So, not exactly the way I wanted that to go. And I did I keep a bit of this? There's not much in there, but I might use that to do a couple of swipes. Nice. Get some of that light blue in. I like this white bit through here. Alright, let's get a little bit of this colour. We'll start it down here just to see how it looks. I'm going to do a few more of those swipes. Very pretty. Any more? All right. Let's tilt. All right, let's try this again. I do want to take a bit more of this orange off. I want a bit more blue up the top here. Just put it down for a sec. There's a lump in here. This is kind of otherworldly, this one. Let's see. Piece there. And piece there. Alright. Let's get it off the end here. Okay. It's a little too orange for me. There's a lot I like about it, but the colour's not right. I love these swoops of blue through it. Okay, I was going to bring it in for the wet result, but I don't like it. And I was thinking, oh, should I paint over it later when it's dry? And I thought, no. Why there's a lot of paint on there still and I can move things around, I'm going to try and put some blue swipes into the ends. So, let's see what we can get here. And I'm going to use my Titanium Buff Light. Let's see what happens here. Just trying to get some of that blue in. Let's do that down here. Okay, that brought quite a bit of blue in there. Let's see if I can get one more, maybe here. I could do a little bit of white. Got white, this white mix up in this corner. Right. Oh, the titanium white. You're gonna love it, don't you? Alright. I might do that down here as well. Just because that titanium white looks marvellous. Just because I've added extra paint on. Take that blue to the corner. There we go. Okay, here is the wet result. Still got a lot of orange in it, but I'm so glad that I brought through the extra blue. Just balanced it out a bit more, and I just prefer the blue colour. But we've got, I mean, the little cells now that we've got in here, and we've still got this kind of cloudy streams that look like a planet to me. More lacing, a little bit of white through here, so I've got a bit of white here and a little bit over here, so it kind of balances out too. And then we've got some cells and some lacing, that blue going through there. This should dry darker, so I'll bring you back for the dry result. Okay, here is the dry result. And I've got the cells that have popped up through the blue, that bit of white through there. The metallic hasn't really picked up too much shine. I've got some nice patterns going through here. lots of little cells here. And I will show you a different direction. And here is the other angle. Now, I'm not sure about the colours. I'm so glad I added the extra blue. I think it makes it look a lot better. And I'm getting some mixed reviews from people on the colours mostly. The style seems to be something that people like. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you like, or is the colours perfect, or, you know, not quite your cup of tea? And that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.